Welcome to our guide on navigating the aftermath of a car accident in a leased vehicle. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect many overlook: diminished value. For more in-depth information, be sure to check the link in the description. What is diminished value? Let's start with the basics. Diminished value is the reduction in a vehicle's market value after an accident. In other words, the difference in your car's market value before and after the accident. Even with top-notch repairs, your car's worth inevitably decreases because of its accident history. Types of diminished value. There are three types of diminished value to be aware of. First, immediate diminished value, which is the value of your vehicle immediately after the accident and before repairs. Next, inherent diminished value, the most common type, refers to the loss in value simply because the vehicle has been in an accident. Lastly, repair-related diminished value occurs if the repairs done were of low quality. When to file diminished value claim? You might be wondering, when should I file a diminished value claim? It's not just about filing a claim, it's about timing it right. First, consider the value of your vehicle before the accident. If it's an older model with high mileage, the effort may not be worth it. But for newer, more valuable cars, a claim can significantly offset your losses. Timing is crucial. Ideally, file your claim within days of the accident. This ensures that the details are fresh and the evidence is readily available. Who was at fault? If you caused the accident, your insurance might not cover the claim. However, if another driver is responsible, especially an uninsured one, you should definitely proceed with filing. It's interesting to note that almost every state, except Michigan, allows for some form of diminished value claim. Always check with your state's insurance commissioner for specifics. How to calculate diminished value. Now, let's talk about calculating the diminished value, specifically the damage and mileage multipliers. These are crucial in determining the exact amount you can claim. The damage multiplier reflects the extent of the damage. It ranges from 0.00 for no structural damage to 1.00 for severe structural damage. Minor damages like small dents or scratches use a lower multiplier, like 0.25. The mileage multiplier adjusts the claim based on your car's mileage. For instance, a car with 20,000 to 29,999 miles uses a 0.80 multiplier, while one with over 100,000 miles would have a 0.00 multiplier, significantly impacting the claim value. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Imagine your car, worth $10,000, suffers mild structural damage and has 42,000 miles. First, apply the 10% cap, giving you a maximum of $1,000 for your claim. With mild damage, use a 0.25 damage multiplier, reducing it to $250. Then, apply the 0.60 mileage multiplier for 42,000 miles, bringing your potential claim to $150. Filing the claim. Filing a claim requires diligence. You'll need to provide evidence of the diminished value, which can be complex. If you were at fault in the accident, your claim might not be viable. Gather all relevant documents, including detailed repair records and photos from the accident scene. You might wonder if filing a claim is worth the effort. While the process can be challenging, it's often worthwhile for newer, higher-value vehicles. Remember, these claims can take weeks or even months to settle, especially if legal assistance is required. Conclusion. Understanding and navigating diminished value claims can be complex, especially in leased vehicles. But armed with the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions to protect your investment. For more detailed information, click the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.